Hey folks, the cool front is through the valley and temperatures are cooling off down to 57 here in Weslaco. That's the cool spot in the 4 counties. Up to the north, Falfurrias is 53, Zapata 60. Front is through Brownsville. It's still 73 there, but it will continue to cool off. And these are your lows tonight. 52 Brownsville, 54 the island. Everybody else into the 40s with that light rain. It's already showing up. And drizzle around the area. It's just going to be kind of a messy night, and then tomorrow kind of a messy day as temperatures go nowhere. They stay in the 40s all day long. After being 87 for a high this afternoon, that represents quite a change, a 40-degree drop from one day to the next. 74 is the normal. We're going 49 for a high. That's probably around dawn. Temperatures will go down a couple more degrees after that, and then just stay there all day. A secondary push kind of pushes slightly colder temperatures in for Thursday, and then Friday starts really cold in the 30s Friday morning, but then we bounce back to 52 because it looks like the clouds will thin, maybe even clear the latter part of the day on Friday. This is what it looks like on radar right now. You can track the front moving down across the valley, going through Brownsville within the last 30 minutes or so, now down beyond Matamoros and into Mexico and out into the Gulf. So that is it. It has cleared the valley, and we're seeing light showers popping up behind the front. Front pushes away, and as it does, temperatures fall from the 60s into the 50s by morning, and then we continue to fall into the 40s during the daytime tomorrow, and that light rain and drizzle just sticks around all day long. And there's kind of a second push, as I mentioned, on Thursday, and with that, some more light rain and drizzle comes in, and it just thickens up into Thursday night. By the time we get to Friday, we could end up with anywhere from a half an inch to an inch of rain because it's just going to be almost continuous. There'll be breaks, but there's going to be just a lot of this light stuff around, and eventually it accumulates. And again, you could end up with a half an inch or more before it's all over with. Models do suggest that over to the west of us, you see some pinks and some light blues and whites over there, and perhaps to the north, some freezing precipitation in the form of maybe some sleet, maybe even some snowflakes early Friday. Most, if not all of it, staying to the west and north of the valley. Is something we're going to have to watch for because the atmosphere is going to be really, really cold. Light rain Wednesday, 50% up to 60 on Thursday with that second surge. Lingers into Friday morning, but by Friday afternoon, I think it's out of here. Look at the rest of Texas. It's 24 in the Panhandle, 48 in Dallas, 53 in Austin right now. The chilly air just continues to kind of push southward across the state and into South Texas. Clouds forming behind the front. Front pushes on out of here. The windy conditions continue tomorrow. Look at this system that's triggering the snow way out in West Texas and in the mountains of Mexico off to the west. And it does suggest a little bit of stuff kind of sneaks through here. Again, maybe early in the morning on Friday, but by Friday afternoon, it's all gone. Dry air builds in, and after that, the sun comes out, and we begin the warming process by the weekend. If you're headed to the coast, here's what you can expect at the beach. A small craft advisory. Temperatures start in the 50s. Northwesterly winds strong all day. 56 degrees in the afternoon. UV's moderate. The rip current risk is high. Surf temperatures at 73. A gale watch in effect for the offshore waters. Seas 7 to 11 feet. The bay is rough. So for tonight, a low of about 46. This gets messy, and then tomorrow we just stay there all day long. We're going 49 for a high, but again, that may be first thing in the morning. Temperatures may fall during the daytime. Whatever it is in the morning, kind of on it staying there or getting colder. 47 on Thursday. By Friday, we start at 36. That's cold with some precipitation around. Back to 52 for a high, back down to 36 Saturday morning, but by then the clouds are gone, so no rain threat with that. And then back in the 60s for highs Saturday and Sunday, 70s for early next week. That is your very chilly First Warn 5 forecast. Joel.